Hello traders, you're welcome to my video on the order flow trading. Have you ever wondered what really moves the market? While most traders rely on lagging indicators, the real game changers, which are institutions and smart money, use order flow trading to track actual buying and selling pressure. So in this video, we are just going to be breaking down the ultimate in-depth guide to order flow trading, so you can find, the way that professionals do. Okay, you can finally see the markets, the way that professionals do. So if you want more expert trading content, smash that like button and subscribe for deep dive strategies like this. Now, what is order flow trading? Order flow trading is the art of analyzing real-time buying and selling activity in the market. Okay, it's as simple as that. Yeah. Instead of just looking at historical price action, it helps traders to track where liquidity is sitting, where large orders are being placed, and how price reacts to these levels. Now, you might be wondering, why does order flow matter? Well, order flow reveals where smart money is accumulating or distributing. And it also helps traders to avoid false breakouts and retail traps. Also, it provides real-time insight into supply and demand dynamics. Now, most traders only see price on a chart, but order flow traders can see the actual transactions that are happening behind the scenes. Okay? Now let's just break down the most popular, or rather the most important concepts that you need to master. The first is liquidity zones. Okay, liquidity zones are, they're a very popular concept that you need to pay attention to if you're interested in, smart money concepts. Yeah. So liquidity pools are areas where large orders are resting. Price orders rest around areas that we call liquidity pools. Okay. So now, price is naturally attracted to these zones because institutions need liquidity to execute their trades. Okay, so price is naturally attracted to liquidity zones. Now, let's talk about market imbalances. Imbalances occur when there is an excess of buying or selling pressure. When you have an excess of buying or selling pressure, we have a market imbalance. So these zones often lead to quick market moves as price corrects itself. Let's see if we can find, a good example. Okay, I think we had an imbalance around here. All right, an imbalance usually occurs when, you know okay, this one is referred to as a fair value gap. Okay, so when there is much buying or selling pressure, and you will notice that because of the excess of buying or selling pressure, one candle can just be aggressively long, and then the previous candle and the next candle will not even be given the chance to fill up the gap within that long candle. As a result of that, many a times you'll find out that price will eventually come down to fill up that gap. Okay, so these zones often lead to quick market moves as price corrects itself. Now, we also have the order book and footprint charts. Okay, the order book actually shows real-time buy and sell orders waiting to be executed, while footprint charts display executed orders revealing aggressive buying or selling pressure, selling activity. So if you want to also make use of those tools, you can also check out for them the order book and the footprint charts. Okay, so by understanding these tools, traders can spot high probability trade setups before the market even makes its move. So now that you understand the core principles, let us build a complete order flow trading strategy. The first step is to identify key liquidity zones. All right, so you just look for areas where stop losses or pending orders may be clustered. All right, look for areas like that. For example, this could be one of such areas. Because of the rejections here, you will notice that any person that enters a buy trade might, set their stop losses below this zone. Same with this. Anyone who enters a buy trade will likely set the stop losses below this zone. Same with this. This was formerly a resistance. Stop losses would have been above. Eventually, when it got broken, it turned into a support. Stop losses in this case will not be below. So areas where you have likely clusters of likely clusters of stop losses or pending orders, those are possible liquidity zones. Okay, because those zones act as magnets for price movement. Then secondly, you analyze order book and footprint charts. Okay, you can just check for large limit orders that can act as support and resistance. Okay, then you look for aggressive buyers or sellers entering the market. And then finally, you confirm your market structure and enter your trades. Okay, if price sweeps liquidity, and large orders appear, just look for a reversal trade setup. For example, you'll notice that price has swept liquidity around here, and you notice that large orders are appearing around this zone using your order book, and then perhaps your order book and footprint chart, and then you notice that your reversal pattern is beginning to form. Well, you can just take advantage of that, enter your buy trade, and ride it till the end. Sorry, you ride the move till the very end, and then you catch some good pips. So this structured approach actually ensures that you are trading alongside smart money and not against them. Okay, so you want to trade alongside smart money and not against them. All right, so that is how you can master order flow trading with a step-by-step strategy. Ensure that you always observe good risk management, okay, and do not even attempt to trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. All right, do not use borrowed funds to trade, and ensure you always have good risk to reward ratios, recommended 1:2 minimum, and make sure that you put your emotions in check, okay, all the time. So understanding liquidity, market imbalances, and order flow tools can give you a huge edge in the market. If you found this guide valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth trading content. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and let us talk order flow. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.